Selecting the type of map you want to customize is quite easy. You go up here to map types, click on that, and you're given this submenu. We can choose which country we're going to search or choose a map from. So we'll take United Kingdom to start with, and we're shown the boundary types. So we've got postcode maps, health maps, council maps, and so on. We'll choose postcode maps. At the moment, we've got the postcode area map shown. So we're going to select the postcode district map. This will automatically load the postcode districts map. Now we can see that in more detail if we zoom in. It becomes a bit more complicated because we can see the settlement labels, so we'll just turn those off for now. So back to map types, we've got the postcode districts shown here. Now some people might also want to overlay on top of that, for instance, the postcode area boundaries. So if we click add, postcode area boundaries are automatically selected, but we could overlay any of these boundaries. So we'll just keep postcode area maps. To make it more obvious, we can change the color like so. Line width, there we go. And the label color will make that something similar. And make the labels larger. There we go. We've got labels visible from, which means the zoom level that you can actually see the labels. So if we change that, you can see the labels will disappear at certain zoom levels and then reappear when you get to the zoom level you want. If in here we're choosing labels that are really long, we can click the wrap label, the wrap tick box, and select how many characters it will be before the label wraps onto the next line. So that might be handy if we're overlaying something like integrated care board boundaries, for instance. Now we've got the wrap enabled. As you can see, the label wraps. If we untick that, the label doesn't wrap. So that's it for selecting map types. Different countries have different types of boundaries. So if we say went to actually I'll stay on this postcode boundary type, we'll select postcode maps and full postcode boundaries, full UK postcodes. Change without saving because we don't want to save this, it's only a test. So what this is, it appears to be a district map, but it's actually a selector. So what we can do is we can choose the postcode districts we want to display at full postcode level. This is because there's too many full postcodes to show on the map at any one time. So we've selected 3 there, and then we just click this button, open selected postcodes. After a few seconds, that will bring up the full postcode boundaries. Now, if you want to be able to see this on overlaid on top of a Google style map, click that button there, and then you can see in a bit more detail what the postcode boundaries refer to. This overlay can be done on any of the maps, by the way. So if we're picking somewhere like the USA, and obviously not postcode maps, but that's zip code maps, and then we will choose, say, 3-digit zip code boundaries. That'll open up the entire USA. Now, what we can do is we can select an individual area. So we might pick, say, Florida, and that'll just open up the Florida map. And pick another one, Indiana. Yep. And then we might want the whole world. Administrative boundaries for the whole world. Choose choose map. We'll say districts and municipalities. So if we're showing them regions and states, provinces. I mean, I'm not too up on the rest of the world, but anyway, that's what you can do. Postcode maps, choose map type, postcode sectors maybe. The number of polygons usually relates to how long a map's going to take to load. And there we go.